In this video, you're going to learn 12 practical steps to achieve a decluttered and organized home. Step 1. Declutter first. Begin by setting aside a few hours or even an entire day, depending on the amount of stuff you have. Approach this task with a clear plan. Sort your belongings into 3 distinct piles: keep, donate, and toss. It's essential to be honest with yourself during this process. If you haven't used an item in over a year, it's time to let it go. Sentimental items can be challenging, but consider taking photos to preserve memories without holding onto physical clutter. By clearing out what you no longer need, you lay the groundwork for a more organized and stress-free living environment. Step 2. Tackle one room at a time. When faced with a cluttered home, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of items needing attention. To avoid burnout, focus on one room at a time. This method prevents you from feeling swamped and allows you to see tangible progress, which can be incredibly motivating. Start with a single room and apply the same decluttering principles. Sort everything into keep, donate, and toss piles. Concentrating on one space also helps you refine your organizational skills and discover what storage solutions work best for your needs. Once a room is decluttered, you'll be amazed at how much more manageable and inviting it feels. Step 3. Use baskets. Baskets are not just for picnics. They're a versatile tool for maintaining order in high-traffic areas of your home. Strategically placing baskets in places like entryways, living rooms, and bathrooms helps to curl clutter stylishly and functionally. These handy containers come in various sizes, materials, and colors, allowing you to match them with your decor while keeping essentials within reach. Consider using baskets to contain everything from shoes and scarves in the entryway to toys and toiletries in the living room or bathroom. They're perfect for creating a clean look and making everyday items more accessible. Baskets not only help you organize, but also add a touch of warmth and texture to your space, making them a stylish and practical addition to any room. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe to participate in future giveaways. Step 4. Multi-purpose furniture. Opt for pieces that serve more than one function to maximize your space efficiently. For example, an ottoman with built-in storage can hide blankets or board games, while a coffee table with shelves offers extra room for books and decorative items. These versatile pieces not only help reduce clutter, but also enhance the functionality of your space. Day beds that double as guest beds with built-in storage or folding chairs that can be tucked away when not in use are excellent examples of how multi-purpose furniture can adapt to your needs. Investing in such items allows you to make the most out of your available space while adding a touch of style and practicality to your home. Step 5. Pegboards. Pegboards are not just for garages or workshops. They're an excellent solution for organizing various items in any room. Their customizable nature makes them ideal for creating a tailored organizational system. By adding hooks, shelves, and baskets to a pegboard, you can design a setup that fits your unique needs. Whether used in a kitchen for utensils, a craft room for supplies, or a home office for tools and office supplies, pegboards help keep everything visible and accessible. They also free up precious floor space by utilizing wall space efficiently. Step 6. Label containers. Labeling is a small detail with a significant impact on organization. Clearly marked containers and drawers act as roadmaps for your belongings, making it easy to find what you need without unnecessary rummaging. Effective labeling eliminates confusion and helps everyone in the household know exactly where things belong. A well-organized labeling system also prevents you from creating clutter in random spots. Investing in a label maker can streamline this process, but even handwritten labels can be effective if done clearly and consistently. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video, and we're thrilled to have you here with us. So we have a special surprise for you, which is the Millionaire Mindset ebook, Your Key to Wealth Creation. Grab your free copy by clicking the link below. Step 7. Small boxes. Small boxes might seem like a minor detail, but they play a significant role in organizing and categorizing items. They are particularly useful for managing clutter within drawers or on shelves, preventing items from scattering and becoming lost. By grouping similar items together, small boxes create a structured and visually appealing organization system. These boxes come in various sizes and materials, allowing for customization based on your storage needs. Whether used in drawers to separate office supplies or on open shelving to organize craft materials, small boxes help keep everything in its place. Step 8. Basket dividers. By adding smaller baskets inside larger ones, you create designated zones for different items, effectively doubling your storage capacity. This method helps prevent a chaotic jumble of items and keeps everything organized and easy to find. The added structure provided by dividers also enhances the visual appeal of your baskets, making them more aesthetically pleasing. This approach ensures that everything has its own designated spot, reducing clutter and increasing accessibility. Incorporating basket dividers into your organizational system is a simple yet effective way to elevate your storage solutions. Step 9. Hooks and command strips. By moving items off the floor and onto the walls, you maximize your storage capacity without sacrificing valuable square footage. Hooks are ideal for organizing bags, hats, or keys, while command strips can hold lightweight artwork or photos. Think creatively about how you can use these tools to enhance your space. For example, hang baskets or shelves for additional storage, or use hooks to keep everyday items within easy reach. By embracing vertical space, you transform your home into a more organized and spacious environment, making the most of every inch. Step 10. Clear containers. Clear containers are a game changer when it comes to organization. Their transparent design allows you to see exactly what's inside, eliminating the need to rummage through multiple containers. This visibility helps prevent duplicate purchases and makes it easier to keep track of your inventory. Beyond their practicality, clear containers create a cohesive and streamlined look on shelves and in cabinets. By opting for clear containers, you simplify your storage system and bring a sense of order and clarity to your home. Step 11. Keepsake zone. Creating a designated keepsake zone is a thoughtful way to preserve memories without cluttering your home. Start by selecting a specific area for sentimental items, such as a labeled box, shelf, or album. Limit physical keepsakes to those that evoke strong emotions and significant memories, prioritizing items that truly spark joy. Digitalizing documents and photos can also help save space while preserving important memories. By curating a collection of meaningful keepsakes, you maintain a connection to the past without allowing clutter to take over. Step 12. Shoe baskets. Shoe baskets are a stylish and practical solution for managing your footwear collection. They help contain shoes, preventing them from cluttering your entryway and reducing tripping hazards. By limiting the number of shoes on display, you encourage mindful ownership and maintain a cleaner, more organized space. Available in various styles and sizes, shoe baskets can match your decor and storage needs while offering breathable materials to prevent musty odors. When not in use, they can be easily tucked away in cabinets or cubbies. Embracing shoe baskets is a win-win for both functionality and aesthetics, keeping your entryway neat and inviting. There you have it, 12 steps to a decluttered and organized home. Do you want to know the best and smartest minimalism tips and tricks? If yes, click on the playlist shown here. For more valuable content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.